He is a Nigerian dwarf. My pretty goaties. Oh, Bucky's doing what he loves. Hi, pretty ladies. These two are super sweet. I call her Sandy Mae. We actually used to have a goat named Sandy Mae that was a hermaphrodite that looked exactly like this one. But this one has actually had babies before, so. Yes, goats can be hermaphrodites. It's a real thing. Hi, pretty. Hi. What you doing? I know, you're so jealous. It's funny that goats get jealous like dogs. Yeah. They act like big cats. That's not Zoe. This is Zoe. I'm sorry. No, this is Ruby. This is Zoe. This is Zoe. Ruby, I am Zoe. Sorry. I got you confused. I know. These ladies are always talking with their big triangle Larry heads. Yep. Your head looks like you're landing a spaceship in the pen. Goodness. Bucky strikes again with that cool tongue. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. What do you think you're doing? Getting a dental exam? Blah, 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 blah. He is in the zone. This man right here is in the zone, boys. Was that your little boo thing, Bucky? Bucky said, blah, 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 blah. Sing to her, Bucky. Hi, pretty girls. You're so pretty. I know it.